Hi D1, how are you guys doing today? I thought I would do a little reminder lesson on how we wash our hands. Since there are a lot of people that are getting sickies, I call them in my house, right? They're getting germs. We want to make sure that we don't get germs. So we're going to do a little reminder lesson on how to wash our hands, okay? So we're going to put these things in the order that we do them in when we wash our hands. So imagine you're walking up to the sink, and the first thing you do when you walk up to the sink, what's the first thing you do? The first thing you do you get a towel or do you turn on the water? That's right, the first thing you do is you turn on the water. Nice job. That's the first thing we do. Now, the water's running. Now what do we do? Right, that's right. We put our hands under the water, right? We get our hands wet. Right, that's the next thing we do. Our hands are wet. Okay? Now that our hands are wet, what do we do next? We get the soap. Good. We get the soap, right? So now we turned on the water and we got our hands wet, and now we have soap on our hands. What do we do? Right, we scrub our hands, right? We scrub, we go around, and then we go on top, right? The top as well. And then we scrub between our fingers, right? And now, what do we do? That's right, now, I forgot to make another one of these. Now we have to rinse our hands because we can't have soap on our hands, right? So we rinse our hands, okay? Once we rinse our hands, what do? Then we get a towel and we dry our hands. That's right, very good job. We get a towel and we dry our hands. Now, we have a towel and our dry hands. What do we do now? Now we put the towel in the garbage. That's right. Nice job, guys. Excellent job. Don't go anywhere. I have another video. I'm going to show you a video of me washing my hands in my sink. Okay?